everyone, welcome back to 5-Minute Fridays. I'm just about to start my 5-minute workout for today. If you don't know what 5-minute workouts are or why we're doing them, you can click up here. I will put a link to last week's video. That was the first installment of my 5-Minute Friday series, and in that video I explained what 5-Minute Fridays are and why we're doing them. So if you're curious, you can click there. And remember that I am always here to answer questions, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or if you need help. But for today, I want to get right into the workout. We're doing just 2 exercises. So let me start by showing you the exercises that we're doing. We're starting with side lunge pulses. So remember with your lunges that you want to make sure your shoulders are back and down. So back meaning that you want to feel like you're kind of pinching your shoulder blades together behind you, and down meaning away from the ears. So if you're one of these people like me that find your shoulders up here by your ears all the time, push them down and back. Make sure you keep your chest lifted high, flat back, weight in the heels. I think the best way to do that is to push your booty back. Visualize like you're trying to touch the wall behind you with your booty. That's going to help keep your chest lifted high and your back flat, and it's going to help keep the weight in the heel of your lunging foot. So you're going to step to the side, push the booty back, and keep the weight in the heel of this lunging foot, and then you're just gonna pulse, okay, for 15 seconds. That's our first exercise. The next exercise is just push-ups. So with your push-ups, you want to make sure that your body stays in one straight line the entire time from your heels to your shoulders. So don't allow your hips to drop down like this. Keep your hips lifted high. If your hips are slightly elevated, that's fine. You're not going to hurt yourself doing your push-ups that way, and it will actually make the push-ups a little bit easier, so don't worry too much about that. But ideally, you want your body in one straight line from your heels to your shoulders for the entire time. So the only part of your body that you're trying to lower to the ground is your chest. So you're going to bend your elbows and lower your chest as low to the ground as you can, keeping your head still. So don't drop your head down to the ground like this. Bend your elbows, lower your chest as close to the ground as you can, and then push the ground away and push yourself back up. Again, keeping your body in one straight line from your heels to your shoulders. So keep the hips high, don't let them drop. Make sure your core is strong and tight and engaged the entire time. Keep your body in one straight line and keep your head still. Here's the format. I have my timer set for just 1 interval. The interval is 15 seconds long, and I have my timer set to count 20 rounds of that one 15-second interval. So 15 seconds times 20 rounds is 5 minutes. There's no rest interval. So here's the format. I'm going to start my timer. There's no rest interval, so as soon as my timer starts, we're going to get started with side lunge pulses. So I'm going to start my timer. You'll step to the side, sink down into your side lunge and pulse for 15 seconds. When you hear the timer beep, we're going to go right into our first 15-second interval of push-ups. So bring your hands down, step the foot back so you're in a plank position, and now you're going to do your push-ups. As many push-ups as you can with good form in 15 seconds. Now step the foot back, forward, return to your lunge position, and now as quickly as you can, because remember there's no rest interval, switch to the other side. And we're just gonna continue like that for 5 minutes. So now your side lunges on the other side for 15 seconds. Bring the hands down on the side of your lunging foot. Step the foot back so you're in a plank position, and you're going to do as many push-ups as you can in 15 seconds. Step the foot back, return to your lunge position, and then as quickly as you can, switch to the other side. So we're just gonna go back and forth, side lunge pulses and push-ups on this side, and then immediately into side lunge pulses and push-ups on the other side, back and forth for 5 minutes. So if you are ready to do this 5-minute workout with me now, there is no equipment required. Just take a minute to make sure you're good and warmed up, and when you're ready, let's get started. All right, I literally just took like 2 minutes to warm up. I'm ready to go now. So I'm starting my watch, and then we're going to start with 15 seconds of side lunge pulses. So as soon as you hear my timer beep, that means we're starting. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1, there's the timer. So step into your side lunge, and pulse. As many pulses as you can do in 15 seconds. Keeping that back flat and the weight in the heel of this lunging foot. And now push-ups. So put the hands down, step the foot back, and as many push-ups as you can manage with good form in 15 seconds. So make sure your body is in one straight line. Bring your heels to your shoulders, step the foot forward, and now other side. Lunge to the side and pulse for 15 seconds. Push-ups, hands go down, step the foot back, hips high. Nice, strong, tight, engaged core. Don't let the hips drop. Don't bob your head up and down. Step the foot forward and continue on the other side. In our final minute, last round of lunges. And now final 15 seconds of push-ups. that's our 5 minutes. We're not quite finished yet. No workout of mine, even if it's only 5 minutes long, is ever complete until we have done our bonus burpee. So we have just 1 rep left to go. But first, it is time for the McFlurry minute. So I'm going to reset my timer to count down 60 seconds for me. I have Rebecca here, ready to go. Rebecca is going to get me through this McFlurry minute. There's no other option today. I'm going to complete as many revolutions with my jump rope as I can in 60 seconds, and if I can make it through the entire 60-second work interval without tripping over Rebecca, everybody wins a free McFlurry. It's cold and gray today where I am. I don't know what the weather's like where you are, but free ice cream is free ice cream, so give me just a minute to reset my timer. I will be right back. All right, I have a streak going of 10 successful McFlurry minutes in a row. Normally, I would be all nervous that I was going to break my streak today, but I'm going for 11 in a row today, and I'm going to get 11 in a row. I have zero doubt about that. There's just no other way it can go today. So my timer is reset to count down 60 seconds. I've got Rebecca with me, and we're gonna do this. So I am starting with a 10-second rest interval, and now 60 seconds, no tripping, 11 in a row. It's happening right now. Here we go. No doubt. It was 1 year ago today. That I lost Rudy. And it was cold and gray on that day, and it stayed cold and gray for weeks after. And it is cold and gray again today. And I am struggling. I'm having a really rough day, but I absolutely knew. There was zero doubt in my mind. I knew that Rudy was with me out here today, and I knew that he was with me during this McFlurry minute, and I knew that we were going to be successful and break our own record and extend our winning streak to 11 in a row. So thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, Rudy. 11 in a row, a new record, and another day of free McFlurries all around. You are welcome. All right, so that was today's Weepy McFlurry minute. Yes, there were tears, but there's also free ice cream. What are you gonna do? Such is life. Now we have just 1 rep left to go. Let's do our bonus burpee together, and then the workout will be officially complete. Final rep of the day when you're ready. Here we go. With that, the workout is now officially complete. If you did this little teeny tiny baby workout with me today, thank you very much. Please let me know what you thought of it and how you did. Thank you to everyone who's been working out with me lately, and even if you're not doing the workouts, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for liking and sharing the videos. Thank you for all of your wonderful and supportive and engaging comments. It really does mean the world to me. You guys are the best. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. If you are not subscribed already, please subscribe. And of course, a great big thank you to those of you who have been subscribed to my channel for years. Please know that I appreciate you all very much. If you like these 5-minute workouts, keep tuning in on Fridays for the foreseeable future. We will be doing 5-minute Fridays, most likely through the summer. But remember that I also have an entire playlist of 5-minute workouts. I will link it up here, and I will link it again at the very, very end of the video. So there are plenty of 5-minute workouts to choose from. And as always, remember that if you need any help with beginner modifications, if you have any questions about how to do the exercises with the correct form, please just ask. I am always here to help with that. It is extremely important to me that all of my workouts are accessible to anyone and everyone who wants to do them with me. I'm always here to help facilitate that, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or if you need help. That is going to do it for today, and I will see you all next time. Bye.